Hi there, students. A gold digger. Okay, well, the obvious meaning of this is somebody who digs for gold. Yeah, that's a sort of miner. But we use this phrase, a gold digger, an idiom, to talk about somebody who tries to attract a rich person in order to get money or presents. Yeah? So, her new boyfriend is nothing more than a gold digger. She's a very rich woman, and he's trying to get some of her money. Yeah, so a gold digger, a person who engages in a romantic relationship or marriage to a wealthy person, but their sole motivation is money. Yeah. Um, let's see. A gold digger. Yeah, you find somebody rich, and then you have a relationship in order to get money from them, financial gain. Yeah, so yeah, this is somebody who's paying attention to somebody, I was going to say of the opposite sex, but somebody romantically, sexually, um, because of their wealth. So Sally called Sam a gold digger, and he was devastated by the accusation. Okay, a gold digger, this is a person who engages in a type of what is called transactional relationship. Yeah, one for money rather than love. And if they get married, you would even call it a marriage of convenience. Yeah, so effectively they're digging for gold. Um, this is a slang term that was used maybe to talk about chorus girls in the early 20th century. Yeah, famous people used to come to the theatre to watch them act or to watch them perform, and then they would try and get one of these people to be their boyfriends. Yeah, and then maybe even if they're lucky, they could get married. Okay, so this is the idea of a gold digger, somebody who's has a relationship with someone because of money. Only, well, maybe it changes over time. Um, she gave the impression that she was a gold digger, but uh, to cast to deflect this accusation. She was always saying she was not interested in money, and she would refuse some of his presents, but only the cheap ones. Okay, so yeah, she's a gold digger. He's a gold digger. If you use this phrase, you're being critical about somebody as well. So there you go, a gold digger. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. Whoops, I didn't say this. The formality of this. This is an informal idiom. Yeah, I'd probably give it something like 4 informality. Okay. So yes, I was saying, give the video a rating, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, gold digger.